The Cobie extension tools, they've also been moved to the new BIM interoperability panel. They've divided them up slightly differently as well. So we'll start off with the setup families. The options are exactly the same before. They've just gone about them in a slightly different way. So the first thing we're going to look at is it says name separator, which is just an underscore. We've started off with the Revit category, and then we've got family and then type mark. And you can add your own. You've got an option to say add field in here, and you can choose from the list. So we could say type description or type in there as well. How it sorts them is done by the priorities as well. So first priority we're going to say is our uniclass classification, and it'll be the product first. And we can also have, if we've got it, the function there as well. And then keynote, that's good. And then description is just family type. So we go to next. And then it says, I'm going to put in all of these parameters, these fields, into the Cobie extension spreadsheet when we export it out into the schedule. So what we can say is that, put them all in, or you can choose to leave that one blank with replacement cost. Let's go with, and that one will take those two out. You've got an option here to set all blank, and you've got the setup for all. Okay. So configure all using configure all and update all family files, or just the ones in the current file. We'll do the ones in the current file. Okay. Right, it's not allowing me to do that, so let's go in and just choose the family file where they all are. So we found our folder, so we can say OK and then update and close. And what it does then, it will apply all those properties to all of the families in that folder. Once completed, you get the OK to say they all were successfully updated, and now they have all those properties assigned to them. So you can say OK. So this is a great feature because what it will do is an entire folder full of family objects or family items. You can then add all of the Cobie data to. So this is a marked improvement. And if we go and find one of those components, you'll see all of the fields that it will add. And I suppose you can customize it so that it doesn't put so many in, so that you don't have to remove them all at a later stage. So if I now go to File, and I'm going to open up one of my family files, and the folder I chose was in my training directory. Let's go and find that. So we can choose any of these. Let's go for the bar stools. So we open it up, and now we go into the family types, and you can see, look there, they all are. They've all been added. Okay, and as you say, you can choose as to which ones you can fill in, but it's nice to just have them there in the family file so that when you run the Cobie tool and want to do your create your Cobie spreadsheets, you've got exactly the fields that you want. They're the ones that are going to have the information that you want to put with your equipment. Okay, that's great.